In this video I will share with you 3 fabrics what I usually use in my brooches and earrings to finish the backside. Number 3 will be affordable and easiest way for the beginner to start their embroidery. I prefer first 2 materials. And the first fabric is eco leather or synthetic leather. As you can see here I have a small piece of it. I usually use it a lot in my creations. Here you can see I have back of the brooch finished with this kind of synthetic leather. Same as here on this bug brooch I have the same fabric I showed you. Don't forget to comment below, share with me what kind of materials you use for the backside of your embroidery. Let's keep connected. Number 2 is the leather. I use it as well a lot in brooches and the earrings, especially in the earrings, because earrings are touching our skin, and so for earrings I would suggest to use leather, but option with synthetic leather or eco leather will be good as well. Number 3 is the hard felt. I already told about this felt in my previous video where I shared with you 3 fabrics what you can use for your embroidery, and this was there as well. So for example, if you're a beginner you can use it even for the embroidery, and then you can use it for the backside of embroidery, because this is the beginner option, what is affordable and from where you can start straight away. If this video is useful for you, please like it and subscribe to my channel, because on my channel there is a lot of different interesting tutorials about embroidery, about brooches, about earrings, and many more coming in the future. This kind of felt you can find almost in every fabric shop. It's easy to work with and easy to start with. I will leave links to materials what I use in my embroidery. You can find something on Amazon, on AliExpress as well. If you are a first-time buyer of materials, I would suggest to you to go to the local shop and buy from there, because there you can feel the material. Is it soft, is it hard, and what kind of leather it is. So for the first-time buyer I would suggest to go to your local fabric shop and choose from there.